really speaking wise, what you see most on the road is your popular cars, is in your Fords, your Vauxhalls and that. So we do see a lot of Fords, Vauxhalls, Citizens. Worst bit for grief, probably at the moment, is your Citizen, Peugeot, Vauxhall PSA engines.
And why is that?
Constantly wet belt wise, oil wise, pressure wise, sensor wise. They have got catalysts that are breaking down all the time. Misfires, I think they come out of factory with misfires in them. We had them customers coming in, they got a judder when you're driving them. There's no fault codes apparent, and the judder is apparent there, the lack of power. But I've literally, in the time that I've been looking at the fault, I've spoke to various people within Bosch, and it's noted they know about this issue that's going on. It's to do with the way it's mapped in the factory, but the customer still sees it, and it's not a good one at the minute. But again, is that an entail of why the cats keep breaking down? It's a hard one at the minute, but they are Citizen, Peugeot, and Vauxhall is the most common one, the petrols at the minute.